Welcome to Billoxi. Setup is already complete. Language, store details, templates, numbers, and email are all ready to go. You're on the ultimate plan with unlimited monthly orders. Right here, you can see what's printed, downloaded, and sent this month. The last 14 days chart shows your activity at a glance, and event logs tell you exactly which order went out and when. Print, download, send. Track it all in one place with Billoxi. From sales orders, you can manage every document in one place. Open any order to preview it instantly. Need a PDF? Click download to save the sales order. Want a hard copy? Hit print and send it to your printer. Ready to share with a customer? Click send email and the document goes out in seconds. Download, print, email, all from one screen with Billoxi. Invoices live right next to your sales orders, all in one list. Filter by all, unpaid, paid, voided, or refunded. Open any invoice to preview it instantly from the list or the document. Download the PDF, print a copy, or send it by email. Select one invoice or several, then download, email, or create a credit note in a single click. Need a small change? Hit edit to update the note or terms. Total stay in sync with Shopify. Print, download, email, all from Invoices with Billoxi. Drafts keep quotes and pending orders in one place before they become invoices. Filter by all, open, invoice sent, or completed. Open any draft to preview it instantly from the list or the document. Download the PDF, print a copy, or send it by email. Need a change? Hit edit. Ready to share? Email it to the customer in one click. Download, print, email. Your drafts ready with Billoxi. Returns stay next to your invoices. Every refund clearly documented. Open a return to preview items, totals, and refund amount on a professional PDF from the list or the document. Download the PDF, print a copy, or send it by email. Share it with the customer in one click so both sides have the same record. Download, print, email. Your returns handled with Billoxi. Credit notes live next to your invoices. Every adjustment clearly recorded. Filter by all, unpaid, paid, voided, or refunded. Open a credit note to preview the full document from the list or the PDF. Download it, print a copy, or send it by email. Linked to the original invoice. Ready for the customer in one click. Download, print, email. Credit notes handled with Billoxi. Packing slips keep every shipment clear, items, quantities, and destination on one document. Filter by all, unfulfilled, partial, or fulfilled. Open any slip to preview it instantly from the list or the document. Download the PDF, print a copy for the box, or send it by email. Notes and terms go with it, so the warehouse and the customer stay aligned. Download, print, email. Packing slips ready with Billoxi. Templates give every Billoxi document the same professional look. Your brand, your layout, your choice. Pick a document type: sales order, invoice, draft, credit note, packing slip, or return. 15 layouts are ready for each. Preview any design first. Download a sample PDF. Then click Use Template. It goes live instantly. The active layout gets Edit Template. Change colors, logo, and details without starting over. Sales orders have standard, modern, classic, compact. Invoices and drafts include professional, European, and more. Packing slips add branded, compact, and detailed for the warehouse. Switch between document types in one click. One template per type stays active. So print, Download and email always use your chosen look.
Pick it. Preview it.
Make it yours. Templates in Billoxi. Store details set what appears on every document header: invoices, sales orders, credit notes, and packing slips. Upload your logo, PNG, JPG, or WebP, up to 1 megabyte. It shows on every PDF. Add your store name, address, phone, email, and website. Need more? Add custom fields and drag them into order. Already set up in Shopify? Click Load from Shopify Store, then tweak what you need. Hit Save. Your brand is now on every document you print, download, or email. One header, every document. Set it once in Billoxi. Transaction numbers set how each document is labeled, prefix, and starting number per module. Sales orders, invoices, drafts, returns, credit notes, packing slips. See the preview before you save. Existing Shopify documents are numbered on install. These settings apply to new documents going forward. Click Edit. Set it once. Every new PDF stays consistent with Billoxi. Advanced settings put document creation on autopilot. Turn on Invoice when an order is paid in Shopify. Need an invoice first? Credit notes can auto-create on cancel, full refund, or partial refund. Check the boxes you need. Billoxi handles the rest, no extra clicks. Multi-currency controls what appears on invoices and other documents. Keep your store's main currency, or show the currency the customer paid at checkout.
Pick one. Save.
Documents stay clear with Billoxi. Download links let customers get the PDF from Shopify order emails, no extra login. Copy the code. Paste it into your notification template. Paid orders get an invoice link. COD or unpaid get a sales order. Pick sales orders, invoice, draft, return, credit note, or packing slip if you need a specific type.
Copy. Paste.
Customers download in one click with Billoxi. SMTP is the email server that sends your documents. Choose Gmail or webmail. Click Use Gmail to fill host, port, and TLS. Enter your from email and name. Gmail needs an app password, not your regular password.
Paste it. Save.
When you hit Send Email, documents go out through the server with Billoxi. Email templates control every document you send: subject, body, and PDF. Pick a type: sales orders, invoice, draft, credit note, packing slip, or return. Write the subject. Check attached PDF so the document goes with the email. Use placeholders like customer name, document number, and total. They fill in automatically. Set header and accent colors. Add a footer. The preview on the right shows exactly what the customer sees.
Save.
Next time you hit Send Email, it looks like your brand with Billoxi.